My name is Derek Ray, positioned here on the commentary gantry, and sitting next to me, ready to give you all the analysis, is Stuart Robson. And he's in. Oh, tremendous goal! Finessing it into the back of the net. Shake a bar. They can't stop him. No wonder he's celebrating. And now to intervene. Leao.
And that's why it's offside.
Thierry Henry, good vision, can he get onto this? Oh, that's a fine cross. Well, he put the cross into the right place, but no one able to finish it off. And so the referee blows for full time, and it goes down as a victory for...